Hello everyone, so in this video I will present to you about my listening lesson plan for meeting for assignment. So let's watch the lesson plan together. The first one is lesson identity, or for this lesson plan we have the grade level grade 9 in junior high school, which is phase D, and the selected genre that I chose is procedural text, and the topic is how to make a recipe. Next is learning objectives. So by the end of the lesson, I want my students are able to first identify the goals, materials, and steps of a procedure text through listening. Second, identify the linguistic features of a procedure text such as imperative verbs, connective conjunctions, and adverbs of manner. And the last one is reorder sequence jumbled steps based on a listening procedure text. Next is listening material. So here in the lesson plan, I have two authentic video listening material from YouTube channel with the same channel. The first one is pancake recipe and the second one is pumpkin pie recipe. Next is teaching procedures based on the 4 stage of GPA. The first one is BKOF, or building knowledge of the field. Here we have two activities. The first one is brainstorms and the second one is vocabulary. So in brainstorms, the teacher displays some pictures of breakfast foods and asks the students about how to make their favorite breakfast. Here, students discuss with their seatmates and share about the process of their favorite breakfast. The second one is vocabulary. So the teacher writes vocabulary on the whiteboard related to procedure text of making breakfast, such as stir or whisk. So the purpose of both activities is to make students prepared for the procedure text recipes listening content. Next is MOT, or modeling of the text. Here we also have two activities. The first one is listening to the material and the second one is write down the goals, materials, and steps. So the first activity is the teacher plays the first YouTube video about how to make pancake once without stopping, and then ask the students about the goal of the video, which is to make pancakes. And the next activity is the teacher plays the first YouTube video the second time to focus on the structure of the pancakes procedure and ask the student to take notes of the structure they found. So the purpose of the activities is to make students able to comprehend the structure of procedural text. The next one is joint construction. Here we only have one activity, which is listening and analyze. The teacher divides students into small groups, maybe around 3 or 4 students in one group. And the teacher plays the second YouTube video about how to make a pumpkin pie and asks students to work together to analyze the goals, materials, imperative verbs, and connective conjunctions from the video on a paper to assess their group ability on understanding the procedural text structure and linguistic features through interaction and collaboration. The last one is independent construction. So here, the teacher asks students to write a short procedure of their favorite food to assess individual ability to make a procedure text with the correct structure and linguistic features. Next is listening assessment. So the type of assessment in this lesson plan is formative and the type of task is analysis task. During the joint construction stage, students are assessed on their ability to analyze the YouTube video through listening. The last one is pedagogical rationale. The lesson follows the principle of GBA, providing a support from teacher to students' independence on step-by-step mastering the procedural text. In building knowledge of the field, teacher introducing the procedural text by activating their prior knowledge before listening to the procedural text. While in MOT, teacher ensuring students to understand the genre before producing procedural text by their own. The next two principles, GCOT and ICOT, joint construction and independent construction shifting slowly and surely to make the students are not overwhelmed and ensuring them to collaboratively knowledge the structure and linguistic features to independently make one on their own. So this lesson is suitable for junior high school students in Phase D or grade 9 because it matched their way of thinking and how they interact with others. This group of age like to feel involved and interested, so using a topic they can connect with, such as recipe, like cooking and adding things like videos from YouTube fits their way of using digital tools, which helps them stay more motivated. The joint construction stage involves working together, which helps meet the need of social interaction and it let them talk with each other, share ideas, and learn from one another. And finally, the lesson helps meet the emancipated curriculum or curriculum merdeka goals for Phase D by combining listening skills with writing and speaking activities so students can build the ability to communicate effectively in their current skill level. So I think that's all for my listening lesson plan for grade 9 about procedure text. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.